Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, guys, got a big post from the CEO of Archer this afternoon on LinkedIn. Big congrats to our partners at Atlantic Aviation on today's announcement, installing aircraft charging stations at the East 34th Street Heliport is another big step toward bringing air taxis to New York City. Sounds like this is happening, doesn't it? Short sellers, predatory short hedge funds, and despicable market makers. Let's take a look at this new industry's progress, shall we? On your screen is a rendering depicting eVTOL aircraft from Joby, Beta, and Archer Aviation parked on Atlantic Aviation's East 34th Street Heliport in New York City. In a separate post from Atlantic, we've just executed the renewal option of our concession agreement with NYCEDC and the City of New York for operations at the East 34th Street Heliport for the next 5 years. Located on Manhattan's East River, this key facility supports helicopter operations around New York City, including vital flights for the NYU Langone Health Center. And we're not stopping there. We're getting ready to welcome the future of urban mobility. The post continued, in alignment with New York City's mission for sustainable infrastructure, we're embarking on a utility upgrade project at the heliport. This will include installing charging stations to support electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, working alongside cutting-edge partners like Joby, Beta, and Archer Aviation. This project is all about innovation, sustainability, and making quieter, greener aviation a reality in New York City. We're proud to play a role in leading the way for New York's urban air mobility future. There's the hourly on Archer, including after-hours sessions, showing a nice move from a low of 285 on October 10th to a high of 322 on the 16th yesterday. There's the 5-minute chart showing Thursday's action. We started the morning with a gap and pushed down to a low for the day of 311, fought back to a high of 320, and finished exactly where we started at 319, a day before options expiration day. What are the chances, right? Sometimes all you have to do on Wall Street to win is just hold the stock price right where it is. Just borrow shares, dump them on the open market strategically, and all the options expire worthless. You get to rake all that premium off the table, and the regulators stand there watching the manipulation. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but the green line on the bottom is the 20-day moving average, currently at 311, and is beginning to ascend. I'll be watching the action around the 50-day at 331, and then the 200-day at 409 if we begin to break out to the upside. We also got some exciting news out of Dow Jones Thursday. Archer will report its third quarter 2024 operating update and financial results after market close on Thursday, November 7th. The company will host a conference call and corresponding live webcast at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern to discuss its operating update and financial results. I like when they report Thursday after the bell, because if there are any surprises in there on Thursday night, the bad actors are screwed Friday morning on the options. That makes this expiration particularly treacherous for the little devils on Wall Street. It's even better when they release on Friday morning. The less time for them to cheat, the better. Today, Bank of America warned about the $35,751 billion national debt, that it's going to surge to unprecedented levels as the U.S. lender recommends one asset to investors, and of course that's gold. The bank says its target for the precious metal is $3,000 per ounce. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.